Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Gonna give this, I think this is video number 6, all these beautiful banyan trees everywhere, and then we're gonna be walking into here just to kind of see like another taste of Jiangmen. There's a lot of like historical colonial buildings and these like shopping arcade stuff like these, but we're gonna walk into the away from the river because everything's focused on the river. I'll explain all that in a minute, so let's stay tuned for another slice of Jiangmen. If you want to see some of the older ones, go to the thumbnails. I have at least 6 already that are up and posted, and this will be number 7, I believe. Okay, we have the city of Jiangmen, China. I put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And in this particular one, there's a few other videos that I've done where I'm kind of in this Changi historical blocks, which is really cool. And this particular one, I'm kind of walking down the riverfront. I'm going to walk into a different part of the city, like not really tourist yet. So I'm going to try to get a taste of what it's like to not be in the cool pedestrian Changi historical block area, starting out by the river. That's what I'm doing. So let's show it to you as well. So we're going to get right into like some really local stuff. Anyways, up on the map so you can see kind of more or less where we are in Jiangmen, and let's take you there as if you're there yourself. Okay, let's stroll. So yeah, Jiangmen is a city, about 2 million people. You probably saw that on the map already, so you know exactly where it is. I do my videos where I kind of film as if you're there yourself, so you can get an idea of what it's like if you were there, if you were here with me. These are all these like shop houses, and they're all lined up along the river, so that's where most of the history is at. So this one I'm going to go with land. So I saw the last video, we saw some photos where there's like boats that come in, and then all of this would overlook the water. So all the historical is along the river, and there's a whole beautiful area that we filmed in videos 1 through 5, and all of those will have some really historical value, plus some movie set stuff where people are making movies because it has so much beautiful architecture and history. But this particular one, we're going to be walking away from the river and try to give an idea of what it looks like when we get away from the that part of Jiangmen, and we'll just kind of see, we're randomly seeing what it's going to look like. I think what I saw down here, I thought I saw a big M, like a McDonald's thing. I don't want to go to McDonald's, and I might have just seen that yellow sign there that looked like it was. But what I wanted to do was see what it looks like in other parts of Jiangmen that's not where the tourists are going. And I'm just going to jump ahead a little bit. So we're going to move along up to there, and then I'll start filming again. Okay, so we started at the river, and yeah, there is McDonald's here, so I did see that. That was right. I guess it's just a neighborhood one. I thought it might be like an indication of a bigger area with you know, a bunch of stuff going on, but I think it's just like a little local community one. So it's not what I thought, but it's still fine because I'm going to come up to a bigger street here, and I can still kind of get an idea of Jiangmen as a city and what it all has to offer. Yeah, like designated parking right on the sidewalk. So it looks like we have a city park right here, and we have kind of a main street. So now we kind of know what that looks like. what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna meander around a little bit more. These beautiful trees. Okay, so stay tuned, we'll show you more of the city. Okay, we're just kind of moving through here. This particular video, I'm just gonna give you an idea of what the other parts of Jiangmen look like. It's kind of interesting. There's like a little Soviet thing in there. But in the middle, oh, I saw scaffolding. It's like, that's a bright blue building. So let's meander around. I think that way looks more interesting. Let's do that way. Pretty cool. I was hoping to go in there and go between those buildings or between these buildings, but I cannot. So it looks like we're gonna have to go around like this. But still, it's like really, love those banyan trees. Little pavilion, little thing. And we're just gonna meander. Nice park too. Love the trees. This is a nice city. You know, it's nice and warm climate. Let me see, it looks like we got some construction here. I was gonna peek down it. Maybe I can't get around this one. Let me see if I can. Oh, there's the street right there. That's what I'm looking for. Got all the scaffolding and bamboo scaffolding up above me. So watch out here, I guess. And now we're just right into this random streets in Jiangmen, which is what I wanted to get into. We got more arcades. I didn't think we'd have more, but we do. Get up there. So I don't know if I'm still in that kind of historic blocks area. If you're not too familiar with my style, basically I just kind of try to capture stuff as if you're there yourself. And the last 5-6 videos are all of Jiangmen as well. You can look at them in my thumbnails, and then you can see what the past ones were like, because at the end of this video I'll have the last 2 Jiangmen, and I think there's like 6 or 7 total. Kind of want to go in there, but I also want to go here too. And this particular video, of course, we started at the waterfront. There's some fresh, well, not so fresh fruits. Eesh. Huh. Okay, well, anyways. Fruits. So, and one of my goals was to get into the city a little bit and get an idea. And let me just capture this random street. It's called Zini Road. And we're just gonna meander into it. And I think I'm gonna come to an ending, but at least you get an idea of another part of Jiangmen. Still have these little colonial houses, so I don't know if this stretches down. I think I saw somewhere that it goes down for like 1.5 kilometers, which could be a pretty big bulk of the city, which means maybe most of the city has this whole style. And then the one that we started at, the first 4 or 5 Jiangmen videos, where all the tourists go. And this looks like it could be more just where the residents live. That's the impression I'm getting anyways at the moment. Figures, different things. But it's also kind of mixed in these other different types of apartments as well, so I don't know the whole story. Oh. Kind of a cool city though. There's still those style houses. But anyways, so I think this particular video we're gonna come to an ending. Guy has a big smile. I guess his friend is on his bike there. He just started talking to his friend, he had a big smile there. So anyways, this is another slice of Jiangmen for you. And I'm gonna come to an end for this one as well. Although, arguably, you could say this could be one of the more interesting parts. So maybe I should kind of walk through it to the end of the street at least, and then see what's at the end of this one. Yeah, I like the narrow streets, and things are relatively clean actually. Like there's a few things on the ground, but it's nothing compared to what you'd think it should be like. More market stuff. Huh. Anyways, now I can get around a little bit and see further down the street, and we're gonna come to an end in a minute. I just want to get over here because I want to see, these are some different types of apartments right here. So they're go up maybe 7 or 8 stories. And that's kind of what I want to do, is just kind of get into other parts of Jiangmen. So we did it. And I think on that note, I'm going to end it right here. So yeah, thumbnails if you want to look at some other ones too. Nice. Okay, let's end it.
Got the dawn